Dysfunctional Vet. These are scrap wood sawhorses. Just a moment ago I showed you the scrap that I had cut off of another log, link in the description. And this is some stuff where I had a lot of rot in a log, but then I had a couple of good pieces like this. And as you can see, if you look at this, you can tell that's not straight. It's got a lot of warps in it. I took a saw and I cut the bad stuff out of it. And I got some old cheesy sawhorses here that I can use to stack stuff on. And when they rot out, I'll pull the screws out of them because the screws are reusable. And then I can just put this stuff out in the forest to start growing mushrooms with. If you have scrap, and as you can see, look at this. This is substandard for everything, but it'll work for a sawhorse. You don't need to go buy 2x4s, expensive 2x4s, or you don't have to cut expensive 2x4s unless you're after a really nice sawhorse. Just use scrap. Dysfunctional Vet out.